I just wanted to start today's Bitcoin update on the weekly, looking at the closes over here, the previous all-time high being at 19,100. And we can see that we're holding the closes over here very nicely, a few closes below, but reclaiming it, and then we dump below and quickly reclaiming it. So with that being said, that means we should head to the range highs, which is of course over here. Now we can see as we zoom in now, let's just zoom into this area. That's the 200 is where we're running into right now. We've currently rejected it with this weekly time frame candle. Now we do have 2 days and 10 hours left, so it's not confirmed that this is going to close like this. We need to wait. So what I want to see going forward to continue bullish momentum, of course, a close above the 200, which it looks like we're going to at the moment close below. We can't say it with 100% confidence because we have to wait until the Sunday close, unfortunately, guys. But at the moment, what we can go off is saying, looking to the left, we have some resistance here and some support, and we're running into that same area right now. Can you see that over there? So with this, it means that actually if this is being held as resistance, we want to continue down, but we've got the moving averages that just formed a bullish crossover here, holding us up as support. So we have a wick down here at 21,359. So we could be coming down towards that. Let's just hold above, let's just call it 21.4K. We want to see closes of the weekly candles. So this week, it looks like we will close above 21,400. But the following weeks, we just need to remain above this to give us further opportunities to head up higher. Because by the time you come down, these moving averages would have come up a little bit more, lining up with that wick, getting a nice touch of that support. And we need to see these moving averages as well as 21.4K held if we want to break through this. Now, you guys know in the past I've used this blue one, the 69 moving average, and it's actually saying it's slightly a little bit above the 55. There's some times on the lower time frames, like the 4 or any time frame really, where it's pushing through the 55, looks like a breakout, and then the next candle closes back under. It's because we have this other moving average up here. So the level that this is sitting at is currently at 26,700. So to get this bullish confirmation that we're going to head towards 30,000, I need to see a break of 26,700. And then yeah, for me, that's pretty much a good signal that we are going to head higher. Do you understand that? So going now to the daily time frame, a lot of people in my group chat were worried about this, saying oh, it's the correction now. So what we want to do is measure from the low to the high over here. In the last video update, we were actually below this golden pocket I'm now drawing, and we were on this current candle when I made the video. And I was saying that if we push through this, we should head to the 1 fib level and then these targets over here. So we have met one of the first targets at 25,000. If you remember down here, I was saying if we want to head to 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30K, all of those targets, you have to push through this, of course, first. And once you push through this, you should meet 24, 25K. And we've done the first step. Now we've got a big, crazy wick rejection. But what I must say is that, again, in the last update, I drew a big green box and I was saying we need to stay above this big green box over here. We can dip down to it and we should still go up. So now that we've actually gone up and held that green box, what we need to see is this golden pocket held. But the reason why I'm mentioning this green box is that even if you fall under this golden pocket but still find support within that green box that was in my last video update, and you reclaim that golden pocket, that is good enough for the continuation onwards and upwards. I hope that was quite clear. Otherwise, if we go ahead and lose this, you can see we'd be coming towards these moving averages, where if once they are lost, this is where we get a deeper correction. And I can give you some targets to the downside. I did in the last update, and we were essentially saying that we've got the 786 down here, 17,200. We can't lose that at all costs, okay? But we've measured out this green level on the weekly time frame being the previous highest close in the 2017 bull market on the weekly time frame, 19,100. It wasn't the highest it went, but this was the highest weekly close. And so going forward, look at where that's tying into amazingly, beautifully. So yes, we were talking about a level lower than this, the 786, but that's because you can actually go down as deep as that and still reclaim it. It's an off chance that it reclaims it, but there's still a chance that it can. We don't want it actually going down there, because the higher likelihood is that you flip this into resistance and head lower to these targets. But it doesn't have to be the case. Remember, we're not down there. That's not the case right now. We're just preparing everyone, of course. But for the moment, we've got this golden pocket here. If we were to get the scenario where we do lose this low and dump, this is the golden pocket that we must hold. It's lining up with that 2017 high, the highest weekly close, 19,100. Now, this is great. This is your little cheat sheet going forward. Again, none of this dip down to here is going to happen as long as we remain above this golden pocket. And in actual fact, we just should be coming down to it as support to continue to our targets of much higher, all the way to 30k essentially, as we've been saying. Now, this would be the journey where we continue up to 50,000. But yeah, in the meantime, let's not think about that because we've got a lot of things to do in the near short term. But yeah, going forward, let's not lose this golden pocket over here. More specifically, weekly candle closes above 19,100. And that's a-okay. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys so much for 5k. If you want to take action on the course or the mentorship, that includes my Discord group chat. Teaches you from zero knowledge. You don't need any prior knowledge. You can already be advanced. That's the point of the mentorship. If you have no knowledge, hit me up for the course, and then we can do the mentorship after. If you believe that you're already so advanced, we can just head up with the mentorship. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next one. Please hit the link underneath this video to my Twitter where you can message me about this, Louis Vibes _. It's the new Twitter, as unfortunately I really do believe we're not going to get the other one back, but that's fine. We've hit 100 followers on Twitter. Let's push that up to 500 as quick as we can. So go follow me over there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.